Hey everyone, I'm going to be demonstrating our group's project today. It's a game console, so first you turn it on with the switch on top, I'll show you later. And you see our splash screen, HF1G, which is HiFive 1 games, and you're met with the main menu. The main menu has two options. It has Snake, and then if you hit the select button, you could switch to Pong. So I'm going to be starting out with Snake. To start a game, you hit the start button here, bam, and now you're in a game of Snake. So normally I'd probably try a little harder, but probably don't have so much time to present, so I guess I could get like one more. I'll get this one. Okay, now if I run into myself, you see I got a score of 6, and we're back into the home screen. So now I'll be demonstrating Pong, and so you saw I hit select, switch to Pong, start. Okay, so this player would be controlling it with these two to move this back and forth, right? And you see I get a score of 1 and they got 0. And then this player uses the start and select buttons to move back and forth. And let's see if they get a point. You see now it's 1-1. So I guess I'll be this player for now. You know what? Since I probably need to expedite this, I'll just hold there for this player so that he keeps losing every round, and I'll show you what happens. So this game of Pong goes until one of the players reaches a score of 10. So as you can see, it's 7-1 now, 8-1, 9-1, and watch what happens. We have a W and they got an L because they lost and we won. And then after that's done, goes right back to the menu. You could go, pick another game, play another game of Snake, and yeah, that's the whole project. Oh yeah, that switch from before is on top there. Right now I'm holding the back together with tape, but it says HiFive 1 games on the back. And yeah, that's it.